Welding helmets and face shields, South African standards. Ensuring safety in the workplace. Why is welding PPE important? Protects against sparks, heat, UV radiation, and flying debris. Prevents damage, arc, burns, and long-term exposure risks. Overview of welding PPE. Welding helmets. Face shields. South African safety regulations. Occupational Health and Safety Act, number 85 of 1993. Employers must provide PPE and ensure its proper use. PPE must meet relevant safety standards. South African national standards. SANS 50166 eye and face protection requirements. SANS 1477 industrial head protection. Welding helmets. Purpose, protects the eyes and face from sparks, heat, and UV/IR radiation. Key features, auto-darkening versus passive filter lenses. Adjustable headgear for comfort. Lightweight, heat-resistant materials. Relevant standards, EN 175, mechanical protection. EN 166, general eye protection. EN 169, passive filter lenses. EN 379, auto-darkening lenses. Face shields. Purpose, additional protection against flying particles and splashes. Used for grinding and other non-welding tasks. Key features, transparent, impact-resistant visors. Full face coverage. Adjustable headband for secure fit. SANS 50166 compliance must be labeled with material, care instructions, and wash limits. Should be lightweight and comfortable. Choosing the right welding helmet or face shield. Factors to consider, type of welding, MIG, TIG, or arc welding require different levels of protection. Lens shade determines how much light is filtered, higher for brighter welding arcs. Comfort and fit, adjustable headgear reduces strain for long work hours. Durability, heat-resistant and impact-resistant materials. Common mistakes and best practices. Do's, always inspect for cracks or damage before use. Store PPE properly to avoid contamination or degradation. Follow manufacturer's guidelines for maintenance. Don'ts, do not modify or tamper with PPE. Do not use welding helmets without the proper lens shade. Do not use face shields as a substitute for welding helmets. Conclusion and importance of compliance. Why following standards matters, prevents injuries and long-term health risks. Ensures compliance with workplace regulations. Increases worker confidence and productivity. Final reminder, always use certified PPE that meets SANS and international safety standards. Contact us for all your PPE needs.